Namaskar everyone, Vinodh here. So today is International Yoga Day. So today I'm going to share you 3 easy yoga postures, even you can do it. So let's get started.
So the first posture is known as Cobra Pose, also known as Bhujaungasana. First lie down flat on the stomach with the elbows bent and palms parallel to the neck. Then start inhaling and raise your body beginning with the eyes looking up first, followed by the head and shoulders. Remember to extend the arms but also bend it slightly. Once you have extended the arm, arch your body without lifting the hips off the ground. Now, you will have to hold in this posture for 8 seconds of 8 sets. The benefits of this posture is that it decreases stiffness of the lower body, improves menstrual irregularities, opens up the chest, and it also helps in easing asthma symptoms. Head to knee posture, Janushirasana. Sit with feet together extended, keeping the spine straight. Bend the right leg and place the sole of the feet to the left thigh. Exhale completely and inhale, raise the hands up and calmly exhale, bringing the body down. With the arms, grab hold of the toes and resting the head on the knee. Maintain in the position for 8 seconds. Once done, inhale, bringing the hands upward, exhaling, and then switching sides. So this posture is to be done for 8 seconds each leg for 8 sets. The benefits of this posture is that it helps with insomnia, anxiety, and mild depression. Moreover, it stretches the spine, hamstring, and the joints. It also stimulates the liver, kidney, and improves digestion. Half spinal twist posture, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Cross over the right leg over the left leg and bend the left leg in. Then turn to the right side, opening up your chest, and use your left hand to wrap it around the right leg and pulling it inwards and looking back. So you will have to hold in this posture for 30 seconds of 4 sets. And later on, do the same thing for the opposite side. The benefit of this posture is that it increases the flexibility of the spine, it calms the mind, relaxes the nervous system, improves digestion, and cleanses the internal organs.
So just a reminder to some of you out there, so you may not get the posture exactly as how it's displayed, but the important thing is to just keep on trying as much as you can. For example, like in today's video, one posture as head to knee posture. So if you see, some people may only go this far, or some people may only go this far. So it doesn't matter how far you can reach, but as long as you reach as far as you can. Just remember that you should exert force to the extent of where you are slightly uncomfortable and not too much extreme pain, of course. So that's it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel for more yoga related videos. So have a great day. Thank you. Namaskar.